subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Milford 0. I'm joined by Bito. I'm not. Yeah, sure.
Game la vandaag probably interesting.
Sure, man.
Yeah, it's the first game. You can't complain. You can't coach and I be Mama player Masha. And then you see ball. You will Milford FC into corner which yaza alama team lawa ayiki team ikuPSL manje program mele ucabanga ukuthi ayina quality kumele ngizongukutshela and so thina any team odlala nayo mele wena uzimisele because you cannot say to us odlala eMilford udlala ne small team ukuthi bazofunana ku radio yabona so into sicelayo nje ukuthi nathi after the game there, wonke ama game manje si-accumulate as much points as possible. Yeah, so manje mina ngi-enjoy the game probably. Yeah, first day. Mina benga expectation yami was not to say siwine at the high score, but bengifuna ukubona nje ukuthi coach preparation yakhe injani. So ngiyambona ukuthi usafuna ukudlala and continuation from the last season. Uyahlanganisa. And sawabonga ama player wethu last season. Kumule mbombela bengekho. Ama player wethu fit asenze proud for last season. Basenzela into enhle. Yabona lento leyo. Ngifuna ukubonga umunye umjita la ku in fact yabona uMpumi Khoza people are not giving credit to that guy. Uthathe lento ayiphiwe ubabakhe wayenza excellent. You understand? Excellent. Kumele simuphi igama simuphi igama ngazi ngambiza bani because whatever he's doing at the present moment he's doing his best and he's doing a great job. Kumele simbonge yabona because his leadership shows kuyo yonke into ayenzayo mfethu treble everything and passion yakhe you can see ukuthi he wants the best out of everybody who's involved in the team. So kumele simgayi credit uMpumi Khoza mfethu chairman yethu angazi somnika team somuphele igama but mina ngiyambonga yabona nama player from last season ngibonge nama fan silibele siza so support team yethu season iqalile mfethu ama heart attack aqalile ninhlamba namabhantha nayo into sisukile sizocima amadada sukile.
Thank you, man.
Jabulibona.
Thank you. I appreciate